Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix GIFs not working on Instagram. If you are having trouble adding GIFs to your posts or stories, let's go through some simple steps to fix the issue. The first step is to force close Instagram and reopen it. Swipe up or open the recent apps section and close Instagram completely. Then, reopen the app to see if the GIF feature is working again. If force closing didn't work, the next step is to clear the Instagram cache on Android. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, find Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection could be preventing GIFs from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to a spot with a stronger signal. And make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and see if an update is available. Check Instagram's GIF feature. If the GIFs still aren't working, Instagram's GIF feature might be temporarily down. To check, go to the GIF sticker section in your stories and see if you can search or use any available GIFs. And if none of these solutions work, it's possible that there is a bug with your Instagram app. You can report the issue by going to Settings, selecting Help, and tapping Report a Problem. Describe the issue and submit your report to Instagram. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the GIF issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.